Hello everybody, welcome to my channel International Relations. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get updated with the international relations. Today we will discuss about one of the most important theory of international relations known as realism. What is realism? Realism is a school of thoughts that explains international relations in terms of power politics and self-interest. Here the term power politics is defined as the exercise of power by states toward each other. It is also known as realpolitik. Hence, this definition clearly explicits that the country should become selfish to gain maximum power in the world arena. Now let's discuss about the claims of realism. The first claim of realism is to maximize their power, means to gain as much power as anyone could, any country could. The second one is self-preservation. Self-preservation is foremost objective in international politics, which means state actors must place protections of their ideology, of their national interest, and of their national image in world arena. Its ultimate concern is for security, means a country should maximize its security by increasing nuclear capability or military capabilities. The third claim is war. Actually, realists supports war. They claim that world is a jungle and you have to go for war if you want to survive in this jungle, which clearly elucidates that realists are the top supporters of war. The fourth claim of realism is enforcing global rule. That means to control the countries of the world by your own decisions, means to become a superpower like US, Russia, and now China. Enforcing global rule is very important, very beneficial for the leading country. For example, you have seen US Iraq war in 2003. US attacked Iraq in 2003 and United Nations Security Council seems powerless. Means the most important organization of the world, United Nations, it seems powerless against US, means it can't control US from attacking Iraq. Let me give you some evidences which clarifies you that why realism should exist in this world. According to Chinese statesman Sun Tzu, he said moral reasoning was not always useful to state rulers who were surrounded by heavily armed neighbors. He demonstrated the rulers how to use power to push their interest and preserve their existence. Another one is Greek historian Thucydides, who wrote an account on Peloponnesian War that was held between 431 to 404 BC. He said that the strong do what they have power to do and the weak accept what they have power to accept. Similarly, English philosopher Thomas Hobbes in 17th century discussed the free-for-all. He said that the government is absent in international arena, means there is not a single leading government that can control all the countries. And he called that the international law is actually a law of jungle, and people have to seek their own self-interest. All in all, realists love history very much. According to them, history teaches us that war and conflicts are a pattern of international relations, and proposals for peace simply exist in the pages of history. There are two types of realist. The first one is offensive realist, the second one is defensive realist. Offensive realists claim that for survival, state will have to seek maximum of their power. They said if rival countries possess enough power to threaten a state, it can never be safe. Hegemony is the best strategy for a country to pursue if it can, according to offensive realist. The second one is defensive realist. Defensive realists claim that power is only for self-defense. They want enough power so no country, no one can harm them. And if one attack, then counter attack could be possible. The example of offensive realist is India, who used to maximize their power to maintain its hegemony in South Asia. The example of defensive realist is Pakistan, who used to maximize its power for self defense and always use a strategy of counterattack.